all of you will learn. So the lesson is very easy, yes, and the exercises are very easy. You'll all have turns. So just stay quiet, okay? Yalla, let us share. And to make quick revision, as I told you. So first of all, what did we learn? We learned that fractions consist of هيدا علي حشوش إجا. I told you ما بيطول عليه وفي شيء. علي حشوش صار موجود. Yeah. So a fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. A numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. The numerator tells how many parts out of all are there. The denominator tells how many total parts are there. Okay, so if you look at this circle, we have three colored circles, three colored parts out of 4. So the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 4 because the total parts are 4, but the only colored parts are 3. Okay, so the same thing will work out for the pizza or for the cups. Okay, and now we're going to learn about the fractions that are less than, equal to, or greater than 1. Fractions, you can divide the fraction into, or the whole thing into many parts. If you look at the first watermelon, it's a complete watermelon. We divided the watermelon into 2 parts, but we didn't take any part. So it's still the whole watermelon. So the 2 parts, each part represents half the watermelon, but still it represents the whole part. But if you look at the third drawing, we have 3 parts out of 4 watermelon parts. So here I have less than a whole part. What I'm trying to say is, if I have here a complete circle, you can see the complete circle, right?
Yes.
The complete circle, it's all colored with yellow. Okay, but in the second circle, we only colored 1 part out of 2, which means we colored less than a complete circle, right? Less than a complete circle. So 1/2 is less than 1. How did we know?
Good morning.
Good morning حسين المؤخر. So 1/2 is less than 1.
الانترنت ما منيح.
بعرف انت عندك الانترنت ما منيح وانا عندي الكهرباء ما منيحه. نحن وحسين ساكنين قراب على بعض بتعرفوا؟
بس نحن كل دقيقتين طفى عندنا الكهرباء.
انا هلا
بس لأن النت عندي منيح.
النت منيح انا عندي
بس يعني أنا إذا بتقطع الكهرباء النت تبعي ما بيروح.
حلو برافو علي. يلا let us go back for the حسين بعد ما راح عليك اجمالا شيء كثير، بعدني عم بعمل كويك ريفيجن حنبلش بالاكسرسايزز. اوكي؟ وعلي حشوش كمان. Yeah. So 1/2 we are still less than a complete circle. So when I color only 1 part out of 2, which means I colored less than a complete circle. So using the figure, I can know that this is less than 1. And using the fraction, I can know that this is less than 1 because the numerator, which is 1, is less than the denominator, which is 2. Okay? And the third circle also, we only colored 1 part out of 4, so we are still less than complete circle. Also 3 out of 4 is less than 1 complete circle. So every time you see that the numerator is less than the denominator, this fraction is less than 1. And what do we call this fraction?
Proper fraction.
Very good. It's proper fraction. Excellent. So now we can tell that proper fractions are fractions that are less than 1, which means the top number, which is the numerator, is less than the bottom number, which is the denominator. And a fraction which is greater than or equal to which is greater than or equal to 1, we call it an improper fraction, where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Is it clear? And when do we say that a fraction is equals to 1? When do we say that a fraction is equal to 1? Hello?
1. If it's 1.
When do I say?
If the denominator is 1.
No.
Numerator?
No.
Miss, your voice was lagging.
Miss,
What was the question?
Miss, equal.
When do I say that a fraction is equal to 1?
When it's improper fraction.
When
When the numbers are equal.
when the numbers are equal, when the numerator is equal to the denominator. Thank you, Yahadi. So if the numerator is
I
equal,
told you.
قلت لي
If
equals to
I told
1.
you if numerator is 1 and the
لا.
denominator is 1 are equal.
لا ما
Yes.
بدي ما بدي ما بدي example واحد يعني ما بدي تقولي لي 1 over 1 بدي بس تقولي لي ان numerator is the same as the denominator like 18 over 18 or 199 over 199. Those fractions are equal to 1 because the numerator is equal to the denominator. You can see now the proper fractions and the improper fractions. It's very clear, right? So the proper fractions are fractions that have the numerator less than the denominator. Improper fractions where the numerator and the denominator are either equal to each other or the numerator is greater. Deal?
Clear.
Yeah. The last thing we talked about is how do I write the fraction in words. So if I have 1 over 2, this is
1/2.
1/2.
One half.
If I have 1 over 3,
1/3.
1/3.
1 over 4,
1/4.
1 over 5,
1/5.
5. Very good.
1/5.
Great. Yeah.
Then
So,
there's one. Miss, is there 1/6?
yes, of course. And there's 7/6,
7th and 8th.
7/8. So every time you add يا مس اهدوا كتير عم تتحركوا راما عادي محمد اهدى عم تتحركوا كتير يلا اهدوا. So if I have at the end THS, okay, that means it's in the denominator. So no matter what the fraction is, suppose you have 10 over 17. How do I say this fraction? 10
10 over 17.
ما بقول over.
10 17.
Exactly.
17th.
بقول 10 17th. So ما بقول over بس ال 17 بزيد لها at the end THS. Okay. يلا now I'm going to start by the exercises. ما حدا يقول لي أنا وأنا وأنا أنا. You will all have turn.
We raise our hand.
ولا raise ولا raise your hand. I'm going to pass one by one. Okay وحأمشي على alphabetical order حتى ما تتخانقوا. Yeah. The others, please mute yourself. Going to start by the first exercise. And I'm going to start by Ali Abbas Hamoud.
Right, okay, fraction is less than 1.
Yeah,
Fraction
we're going to start by the first one. Why no Ali Hamoud? مش علي رضا, Ali Abbas Hamoud. Miss, the others mute yourself. Miss, please mute yourself. Yeah, Ali Hamoud وينه?
No.
يلا علي. Are you ready?
Yes.
يلا علي. We have 8 over 17. Is this fraction less than 1, equal to 1, or greater than 1?
Greater than 1.
Think well. 8 over 17. The numerator is less than the denominator. So what do you think?
It's fraction greater than 1.
لا حبيبي ليكون greater than 1 يا علي بده يكون النيوميريتور اللي هو فوق top number is greater than the denominator.
يعني less than 1.
يعني less than 1 مش الحال يا علي فهمناها؟ So إذا numerator أقل من الدenominator يعني هو fraction less than 1. اتفقنا؟
Yes.
يلا علي رضا حمود.
Yes.
يلا 13 over 7. علي.
Yes.
ايه علي قل لي. 13 over 7 وين بدي احطها؟
greater than 1.
برافو يا مس، لأنه النيوميريتور أكبر من الدينومينيتور. صح؟
Yes.
يلا علي حشوش. علي حشوش. يلا يا علي. عندنا 9
Yes,
over 9 وين بدي احطها؟
what is?
علي حشوش. سمعني؟
Yes, yes, miss.
يلا we have 9 over 9. Where should I put the 9 over 9?
Fraction equal to 1.
برافو يا علي. It's equal to 1 لأن the numerator is equal to the denominator. Thank you يا علي. هلا بدي علي حسين.
Oh, come on.
يلا علي. 27 over 28.
Fraction is less than 1.
برافو يا مس. 27 over 28. It's fraction less than. يلا هلا بدي فرح فاضل.
Yes.
يلا فرح. 98 over 105.
Less than 1.
برافو يا مس. It's less than 1. غنى فاضل. غنى.
Yes.
65 over 65. فرح قصدي غنى.
What?
ما عم بسمع. 65 65 is what?
Equal.
برافو.
Equal to
It's
1.
equal to 1 لأنه the numerator is equal to the denominator. غنى محفوظ.
Yes.
يلا غنى. 104 over 99.
Greater.
Yes, it's greater than 1 because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good غنى. يلا بعد غنى عندي هذه جرادة.
Yes.
49 over 49
Equal to 1.
equals to 1. برافو يا مس. 49 over 49. يلا بعد هذه عندي حسن دايخ هلا اجا. حسن حسن رجع ظهر يمكن. لا بعده موجود. حسن حسن دايخ.
Yes.
يلا حبيبي. 7 over 6. Where do I put it?
Yes.
ايه عم بسمعك. Where do I put the 7 over 6? It's less than 1. Equal to 1 ولا greater than 1?
Greater than.
برافو يا مس. 7 over 6, it's greater than 1. Excellent. So any question about this exercise before we continue?
No questions.
Yeah.
No.
So let us go for question number 2. And in question number 2, we need to write 4 fractions less than 1 and having 5 as numerator. So عندي 5 as a numerator and I need the fraction less than 1. I will take حسين كساب. حسين?
Yes, miss.
يلا حسين. Give me the fraction which is less than 1 and it has 5 as a numerator. It's 5 over
6.
برافو يا حسين. Perfect. آسم حميدي.
Yes.
يلا يا آسم. Give me another fraction. 5
Less
over.
than 1.
Yes.
But 5.
Yes.
5 over 5 7.
Yes. 5 over 7. برافو يا آسم. لمار.
Yes.
يلا 5 over.
5 over 10.
Excellent يا miss. I still need one fraction for Lana Diab. Lana. Yes.
5 over 15.
5 over 15. Perfect. Excellent, guys. Let us go for question number 3. In question number 3, we need to write the following in fraction. So I have the name and I need to write it as a fraction. I'm going now to start by, guys, please mute yourself. Muhammad Haidar.
Yes.
Yalla Muhammad. I have 9/15. How do I write this as a fraction?
9 up
Yes?
and 15 down.
Very good, ya Muhammad. It's 9 over 15. Bravo. Mustafa. Mustafa.
13
Yes.
over 20.
برافو يا مصطفى. Perfect. هلا بدي راما. يلا يا راما. How do I write 3,000s? لا تقعد راما. يلا يا راما.
Yes, Miss,
3,000s.
I didn't have a good internet.
يلا ما بأثر. هلا مش الحال.
Yes.
يلا راما. 3,000s. How do I write it? يلا pay attention. This is a trick, huh? 3,000s. في عندي يا راما at the end THS.
No.
يعني منه fraction. It's not a fraction.
Okay.
So 3,000. So 3 and how many zeros?
4.
No, 3,000. It's 3 zeros. This is 3,000. يلا راما اعملي اللي بعدها ما بيأثر. 15
Okay.
tenths.
Okay. 15
Yes.
over 10.
برافو راما. Excellent. يلا هلا بدي تالا.
Yes.
15 14ths.
Don't start.
15 out of 14.
15 out of
14.
40 لأنه قالوا 40ths مش 14ths. أوكي تالا.
Okay.
يلا حبيبتي. يوسف. يلا 8,000. How do I write this?
What? I don't
8,000. You need to write it as a fraction. يوسف ما كنت مركز معنا صح؟
مش بلا.
ده كان ليه ما عم تعرف تجاوبها؟
كتير كم.
Yes, I know it.
لا حسين جاي دورك. اقعد عاقل. يوسف 8,000. هيدا النمبر اللي هون بيكون numerator وكل شيء فيه THS بيكون denominator.
Miss 8 Miss 8 plus 1,000.
8 over 1,000.
1,000.
يوسف مش الحال؟
Yes.
يلا زهراء بسمة.
Yes.
يلا 7 sevens.
7 over 7.
برافو يا مس. هلا خلص الدور. الكل عمل participation. حنرجع نمشي by order بس حبلش هلا من تحت لفوق. اوكي؟ يعني زهراء again. What's 3 halves?
3 over 2.
Excellent زهراء. Very good. It's 3 over 2. يلا let us continue. Write a fraction equal to 1 and having 85 for denominator. يلا يا يوسف. يوسف. يوسف.
Yes.
هلا يوسف. You need to write a fraction equal to 1 وعنده ال denominator 85. So what do you think this number, this fraction is? يلا يا يوسف بدنا نعمل fraction. هذا الفراكشن عنده بالدينومينيتور 85 and this fraction is exactly equal to 1. So what do you think the numerator is?
1.
Yusuf. The fraction is equal to 1 لما numerator and denominator بيكونوا the same.
Yes.
So what's the numerator?
Forgot.
يوسف انت ما كنت مركز كل الليكتشر.
بلا يا مس.
يوسف
أصلا
ما
ما حضرت
نقلك.
الفيديو.
ما شو خص
بس
الفيديو؟
أصلا
ما
ما
أنا...
حضرت الفيديو.
يوسف شو خص الفيديو؟ انا الي من الاسبوع الماضي عم بشرح فيهم. انا الي من الاسبوع الماضي عم بشرح وعم اقول انه الفراكشن لما يكون equal ل 1 بدهم يكونوا النيوميريتور والدينومينيتور ذا سيم. يعني شو بيكون النيوميريتور؟ طلع في شو هو الدينومينيتور؟
85.
يعني شو لازم يكون النيوميريتور؟
85.
هالقد بدها؟ هالقد simple 85 over 85. تالا
Yes.
يلا تالا 307 for numerator. So it's 307 over
307.
very good Tala.
But it's so easy.
Yes. Rama
Yes, miss.
يلا 101 for denominator.
101.
Yes. Very good.
مش ما فهمت السؤال.
It's Rama ليكون equal ل 1.
101 over 100.
ايه ما نحن عم نقول بدنا fraction equal to 1. شو يعني equal to 1؟ يلا يا مصطفى.
يعني يكونوا the same.
صح يكونوا the same. مصطفى
114
yes
equal 614.
يعني 614 over 614 صح؟
Yes.
Thank you يا مصطفى. يلا هلا another question where you need to write a fraction less than 1. انتبهوا less than 1. يلا محمد حيدر.
Yes.
يلا عنا 7 بالdenominator and I need this fraction to be less than 1. So what do you think the numerator is?
6.
Yes, bravo يا محمد. Excellent. لانا دياب. لانا لانا
Yes.
يلا لانا.
Yes.
9 over what?
9 for numerator.
Yes.
9 over 7.
Less than 1 يا لانا.
Oh, less than 1. 9 over 10.
Yes, very good. Lamar.
Yes.
يلا 5 for denominator.
4.
Bravo يا miss. Excellent. Asum.
Yes.
8 for numerator.
9.
8 over 9. Bravo يا miss. Excellent. Great job. يلا let us continue. Give 3 fractions whose the numerator is half the denominator. Do you know what's the meaning of the word half?
Me
Yes.
too.
يلا هلا بدي حسين كساب. يلا يا حسين. بدي fraction.
Yes, miss.
The numerator is half the denominator. يلا يا حسين.
2 over 1.
لا بالعكس 1 over 2. لأن
Okay.
numerator have the denominator. Very good. حسن دايخ. حسن. طيب هذه جرادة. لأنه بعد معي أقل 4 دقايق. هادي جرادي.
Yes.
يلا give me another fraction. The numerator is
تفتحي واحد جديد لما يطلع.
لا يا مس ما عاد عندي exercises غير هيدا.
3 to 2.
لا يا هادي أبدا. تعرفوا شو يعني half؟ نصه يا مس نصه. Numerator is half the denominator. يعني like 4 over.
Miss, can I help?
مين؟
محمد حاجة.
8 over 2.
يلا يا محمد.
5 over 10.
برافو يا محمد برافو عليك. 5 over 10 excellent.
Miss,
Lina محفوظ, do you know the answer?
Yes, I solve more questions.
برافو يا محمد. برافو محمد بين أصلا. غنى محفوظ بتعرفي جواب 4 over what for example? غنى
Miss يعني اللي بينقطنوا. ده
مس يعني بس كأنك عم تعمل times 2. 5 times 2 10. 1 times 2 2. 4 times 2 8.
Miss 4 times 8.
3 over
6.
هيك يعني half. Okay. So that was everything in our lesson. Okay.
3 over 6.
3 over 6. Yes.
That's very easy.
It's not hard.
Yeah.
No, not at all.
8 over 16. It's not hard.
8 over 16. Yes, it's correct.
Very easy.
Yeah. Any question?
No.
No.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Miss. Have a great day.
You too.
Yeah, I used
Bye.
I was gonna.
Bye. Love you.
Way more.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you, Miss.
Bye.